Guys, here we are again at JR Electronics, and today we have this Can-Am tricycle. We're gonna be installing 4 of our pod speakers with lights and 1 of our APTV amps. So let's wait and see how this turns out. Guys, we have our tricycle almost ready and we want to show you the setup. Right now we just finished installing the amp and we're installing the lights. So we have an APTV 600x4 and we have our light module right here, which is powering all the lights in this tricycle. These speakers that we install 100 and 150 watts and we have 4 of them. It's gonna sound amazing. In this case, you have a mid speaker and a compression driver. That way you can cover the mids and the highs from a single speaker and hear every single note. These speakers also come, if you see here in the middle, they come with lights attached already. We also included these ring lights, but they already come with lights. You don't have to worry about that. The APTV 600x4 gives out 150 watts per channel, which is exactly what these speakers need to sound great. So let's check out how they sound. These speaker pods are not only durable, but they are also water resistant. So, since this vehicle is going to be exposed to the weather, you don't have to worry about it. If you guys have a tricycle, a side-by-side, any off-road vehicle, and want a sound system, don't look any longer. We have everything that you need in our website.